Now we're going to be looking at finding sides for triangles. So there's a bunch of these. So the next few days, maybe even a week or so, we'll be looking at each step. So finding a side using tangent, finding a side using cosine, finding a side using uh, sine. And there's two sides, so each of them have two aspects to it. So that's what we're going to start with. And we're going to kind of look at tangent first. So just to remind ourselves that tangent, or tan, is equal to the opposite side over the adjacent side. Okay? Opposite over adjacent. So we're going to first do examples of finding the opposite side. So finding the unknown opposite side. Given, okay, the adjacent side and an angle. Plus the angle. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is we have to rearrange the, sorry, I forgot to put the tangent of the angle in there. So let me fix that. We'll say tan of the angle theta we'll have to put in there. I forgot that. That's adjacent, opposite over adjacent. Okay, so the first thing we got to do is we got to rearrange this. This is our angle, that's our opposite side, that's our adjacent side. So uh, the rearranged formula Okay, so we're going to rearrange it by multiplying the a. So it's going to be the opposite side which I'm going to write out in words, O, is going to equal the adjacent side which we have at A, times the tan of the angle. Okay, so that if we write it in symbols, it's just the opposite side equals the adjacent side times tangent theta. Okay, so that's basically the formula. Just multiplying the tangent by the adjacent side to get the opposite side. So we're going to do some examples of that here today. Let's draw a few triangles. Okay, so let's say we have this basic right triangle here. And let's say that we have there's a right angle there. Let's choose the marker to Okay, so let's say that we know that this is our angle. Let's say that this angle is 36 degrees. And it says find x. Okay, and x is going to be the opposite side. And then they give us the adjacent side, and let's say they say that this is 100.5 centimeters. Okay, so the first thing is we're going to identify this is our opposite side. This is our adjacent side. Okay, and then we're going to write the formula. So opposite side, x equals the adjacent side, 100.5 times tangent of 36. Okay, so now the first thing we got to do is take our calculator and type in tangent 36. So tangent 36 is 0.727. So this is 0.727. So we're going to take that and we're going to multiply it by 100.5. 0.727 times 100.5. That's 73.06, or we'll say 73.1 centimeters. That's x. And that's basically how you find the opposite side. Is you take the adjacent side and you multiply it by the tan of the given angle. So you got to find the tangent of that and then multiply it by the touching side here. Okay, we'll do a couple more examples here. What happens if you get a triangle that's maybe twisted a little bit? Say we have something like this. So let's say that our corner is here. Let's say that this angle here is 18 degrees. And let's say you want to find this side x, and our adjacent side is only 24.4 centimeters. Okay. So we're going to use the same technique that we used last time. We're going to take and do our tangent. Okay. So this would be x equals, okay, this time we have our adjacent side at 24.4 centimeters times our tangent of 18. Degrees. Okay, so if we multiply those two together, what do we get? This isn't for you guys, this is for my grade 11 stuff. Okay, so 24, so we got to do tan 18 first on our calculator. We get 0.325. Okay, there we go. I'm going to take that and multiply it up. And we get about 7.9 centimeters. Okay, so I will give you a few of those to try out on a sheet, just using the same technique. So just remember when you're doing it that it's going to be the opposite side is equal to the adjacent side times the tangent. So you got to get the tan first and then multiply by the side. Okay, so there's a couple examples there. I'll post those up for you. And then we will do a few practice ones. And good luck.